Meal swipes. With each on-campus meal plans consist of meal swipes that can be used in any of our dining hall facilities such as Harris and Commons for an all-you-care-to-eat experience. Your entire meal plan balance will be uploaded to your student ID card. All you guys would have to do is swipe your card one time as you walk into our dining hall facilities. When doing so, one meal swipe will be deducted from your total meal swipe balance. Now you guys have the option to take food to go from one of our dining hall facilities. We have two options for our to-go boxes. The first one being our free biodegradable one-time use clamshells. The second one being our $5 plastic reusable clamshells. Now you guys are getting a bang for your buck with our meal swipes. Essentially, you guys are saving up to $4. So if you take the Go plan, for example, if you do the math between the price you paid for the plan versus how many meal swipes you get, it averages out to about $6 per meal swipe. Versus a person who pays cash or credit to get into our dining hall facilities, it'll be about an $8 to $10 entry fee.